Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.